Beethoven's Symphony No. 9 was heard loud and clear in St. Peter's Square, but to the sound of northern Spain's most traditional instruments. That's how Royal Bagpipe Band of Ourense honored its compatriot Faustino Miguez, founder of the Calsanction Institute of the Daughters of the Divine Shepherdess. Pope Francis canonized Miguez along with 34 other new saints on October 15th.
La verdad que una gran satisfacción.
It is very satisfying for us to bring our intangible culture, to bring the spirit of Galician music here to St. Peter's Square in Rome. It is now the 5th time the Royal Bagpipe Band has come with our music. We dedicated a Muniera to Pope John Paul II, we dedicated a composition to Pope Benedict XVI, and now we dedicate another Muniera to Pope Francis.
The energetic sounds of the bagpipes, drums, and tambourines didn't go unnoticed on their way through the Eternal City. Their music hasn't only made its way to the Eternal City. The band has performed at Castel Gandolfo and also during papal visits to Santiago de Compostela. They've also played at St. Petersburg, Glasgow, China, and throughout Latin America, and even in the traditional St. Patrick's Day Parade in New York.